Okay.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
Mr.
Mr.
Adebayo,
Adebayo,
can
can
you
you
put your name?
my name is here?
No, what
So
is
what is
this?
this?
Redmi
Redmi.
Note 1 or S.
You are not there as a
You're
You're
not
not
showing us
showing us
Adebayo.
Adebayo.
when my
When
Means,
my brain has killed my Adebayo.
no, that's not what
That's
it's
not
showing.
what it's
Just
showing.
rename it.
Just
Just
rename it.
rename it.
Just rename
Mrs.
Mrs.
Additional.
Additional.
Would like to have
Would
your
like to
name
have your
on
name
your gadget.
from President.
Can
Can
you
you
hear
hear us?
us? Miss
It's
Additional,
additional.
can
Can you
you
hear
hear
us?
us? You're
You're
muted.
muted.
Can
Can
you
you unmute?
unmute?
You're
You're
still
still
muted.
muted. Rename
Rename
your
your
gadget
gadget.
to your name. Are you
Are
doing
you doing
that?
that?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you
Yes,
now.
we can hear
Can
you
you
now.
rename
Can you
your
rename
your
your
gadget from
gadget from
Samsung to your
Samsung
name?
to your name?
Oh, okay. Let me do that.
Mr. Debayo,
Adebayo,
you know how
you
to
know how
do
to do
it.
it.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
thank you.
It's Samsung phone. I don't really understand what you want me to do.
Okay,
Okay,
it's
you're
showing
showing
Samsung.
Samsung.
There's a
There's a
place
place
you
you
can
can
rename it.
That I can rename it.
Rename
rename
yourself.
yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
You put your own name
You
instead of
put your
Samsung.
own name.
Put your own name. Put your own name.
Okay. Do I need to leave the meeting before doing that?
No.
No, you
No, you
don't need
don't
to
need to
leave
leave
the
the
meeting.
meeting.
Just
Just
go
go
to
to
where
where
you
you have
have
three
three
dots on
dots on
your
your
right.
right.
If you
If you
click
click
it,
it,
it
it
will
will
ask
ask
you
you
whether you want
whether
to
you want
rename
to
it.
rename it.
Then you put
Then
your
you put
name.
your name.
Okay. Let me see. Rename. Is it on the participants, right?
Yes, you can do it on the
Yes,
Yes,
you
you
can
can
get
participant.
it.
get
You
it.
can do it on the
You
You
can do
can
participant.
do
it
it
there.
there.
Yes.
Yes.
Mm, I'm trying to see. Mm, mm, like,
Or you
Or you
just
just
go
go at
at
the
the
top
top right
right
hand
hand
corner
corner
where
where
you
you
see
see
three
three dots.
dots.
If
If
you
you
click
click to
to
it,
it,
it
to
will
give
give
you
you
options.
options.
One
One
of
of
them
them will
will
include
rename.
rename.
it's not giving me option. It's just saying don't speaking. Okay.
Where
Let
you
me
have
Where you
three
see.
have three dots.
dots.
Yes,
It will
that's what
give
I
you
did.
It should give dots.
It's not giving me any option.
Have you
Have you
seen?
seen?
I saw the door, but it's not giving me the option of doing that.
If you
If you
click
click
the
the
top
top
dot,
dot,
it
it
will
will
give
give
you
you
many
many
options.
options.
The
The
last
last
one
one,
is the
the
option
option
to
to
rename.
rename.
Okay. Let me see more option. This is not it. Cancel. Participants loading. Okay. Let me see. Rename. Okay. So I should put my name there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Olashade. Adefemi. Okay. Yeah, I did that.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a Bible there?
You said?
Do you have a Bible there?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Can we see the Bible, please? Can you raise it so that I see it?
Yes, ma'am. You repeat after me, ma'am.
Okay.
Unmute yourself, madam.
Okay.
After this slide, you mention your name in full. Hi.
Hi.
Your name. Your name in full.
Olashade Adefemi Adeshina.
Swear in the name of Almighty God.
Oh, I can barely hear you.
Swear in the name of Almighty God.
Let me use earpiece. Maybe it will be helpful.
Okay, ma'am.
Please hold on. I'm sorry.
Yes, it is why we put it always at the last. So you see why we put the virtual trials as the last.
I'm sure that after today, your Lordship will
I can hear now.
move a bit, and other people will go through it to improve their own procedure.
Yes,
But they will not know what.
what to expect.
You can go ahead. I can hear you now.
All right, ma'am. Swear in the name of Almighty God.
Swear in the name of Almighty God
That the evidence that I give in this case
that evidence that I shall make in this place
shall be the truth.
shall be the truth.
You,
I can't hear you.
the whole truth,
The whole truth
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Yes, Mr. Tucker.
The passport.
Witness.
Yes, sir.
So please listen carefully.
Okay.
And whenever you are addressing the court, you address the court as my Lord. Is that clear?
Okay.
So please tell the Honorable Court your name, address, and what you do for the meeting. So you take it slowly. Lord is writing in God's hand.
Okay. My name is Olashade Adefemi Adeshina. I presently live at 26 Trillium Circle, Fieldcrest Apartment.
You live at where?
26 Trillium Circle.
26 trillion circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fieldcrest Apartment.
I didn't get that.
Field crest.
Field crest.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, field crest.
Apartment.
Okay.
Dothan.
Sorry?
Dothan. Dothan. Dothan.
Dothan.
Alabama. United States of America.
Yes.
I am a registered nurse by profession. I'm a registered nurse.
Yes.
Witness. Take your mind back to the 5th day of January 2023.
Okay.
You remember that you are the registry of this honorable court to depose to our witness statement on oath.
Yes, I remember.
Kindly have a look at this. If this is the third witness statement on oath. Can you see it?
Yes, I can. I can see my signature at the bottom.
Yes.
What do you intend to do with the said witness statement on oath?
I want to adopt it as my evidence before this honorable court.
Yes.
Witness, you make reference to some document.
Yes.
So I want to show you those documents
Okay.
for identification.
Okay.
Can you see this particular one?
Yeah, that is Babcock Employee Handbook.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you see this particular one?
Call the people.
Okay, the receipt. Can you see the receipt of payment of legal service?
Yes, I can. I can see it.
The Lord, we still contend that this document next week.
Should it?
No objection.
The handbook is the receipt is the receipt, I think.
Stick to it for 6
I will copy.
Yes.
Witness. Witness.
Yes.
Please unmute yourself.
I didn't mute myself.
Okay. Have a look at the document I read.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Kindly have a look at the document I read.
Say the title, please.
The letter of employment.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yes, I can. I can see it. That is a photocopy of my letter of employment.
Can you just kindly get the original?
Can you repeat that again? I can barely hear you.
You have said it is a photocopy of your letter of employment.
Okay.
So I'm now asking you to tell the court where the original copy is. Why you are not telling the original?
Yeah, the original copy of my letter of employment was amongst all my belongings that were carted away when the Nigerian police officer with King David security of Babcock University, when they unlawfully invaded our apartment on that terrible day that I don't even want to remember. And they took everything away, all my belongings. So it was part of all that they took away unlawfully to an unknown destination.
All right. Thank you. Not only say to tender the photocopy of letter of employment as executed.
No objection, my lord.
Transmitted as a receipt for 10.
At the front list. That's
You can sit down, please.
that's all for the letter.
Okay. Prof, I have to show cross-examine so that we won't have to.
Hello?
I say you can cross-examine instead of adjourning for another date.
Let's go, please. We'll do so.
So we'll avoid this coming back to the
Our witness. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you. Is your husband a pastor of the Seventh-day Adventist Church?
Yes, he is. And he's a lecturer too.
So I would like you to just answer my questions because this proceeding is virtual, so we can save a lot of time.
Yeah.
So as at 2012,
Yes.
between 2012 and now, he is a pastor or has been a pastor of Seventh-day Adventist.
He has been a pastor.
Between 2012.
And now. Is your answer here?
Yes.
Good. So it means also that you can also be addressed as shepherdess.
Yes, I can also be addressed as a shepherdess, but that is a title.
No, it's okay. Now it's not about what it is.
Yeah.
You sued Babcock University Teaching Hospital.
Yes.
Is Babcock University Teaching Hospital a legal person?
Can you come again on that?
Do you know whether it's an incorporated entity?
Can you say that again?
You know, is Babcock University an entity of its own? Or is it a teaching hospital of Babcock University?
Two of them are different entities. Babcock University is different from Babcock University Teaching Hospital.
Thank you. So did you tender the certificate of incorporation of Babcock University Teaching Hospital? Did you bring it to court?
Can you say that again?
Did you bring to court the certificate of incorporation of Babcock University Teaching Hospital?
That one I cannot say.
You cannot say. Thank you. Do you know when Babcock University Teaching Hospital was incorporated or whether it was incorporated at all?
I don't know.
Thank you. In paragraph 19 of your witness statement of oath, you mentioned
Paragraph what?
paragraph 19 of your witness statement of oath. Do you have your witness statement of oath with you?
No, I don't.
Should I read it for you?
Yes, you can, please.
Thank you. Everyone is listening, including your lawyer, so I will read exactly what it said.
Yeah.
But I know as fact that the second defendant's directive to the first defendant through its chief medical director, Professor Franklin Annie, is tantamount to interference and say it's unlawful because there is no privity of contract between me and the second defendant at all. Do you stand by that position?
That statement is not clear. I had the beginning, but towards the end, it wasn't clear.
Okay. Let me read again.
Okay.
I know as a fact that the second defendant's directive to the first defendant through its chief medical director, Professor Franklin Annie, is tantamount to interference. Do you understand? Do you get that one now?
Yeah, interference. Can
Yes.
you?
I'm not asking you any question.
Okay.
I will ask a question. I will just to be sure that you got there.
Okay.
And
How will I?
said it's unlawful because okay, and same is unlawful because there is no privity of contract.
Just a minute, let me say. Any problem?
It's supposed to mute the phone, that's why it's not hearing.
Okay, interference. Okay, yes, Mr. Debayo, mute your system.
Okay.
Salome,
You said, and said it's unlawful because there is no privity of contract between me and the second defendant at all. Do you stand by that deposition?
Second defendant, are you talking about Babcock University? Because Babcock University.
That's the second defendant. Yes. You say there's no privity of contract between you and Babcock University. Is it correct?
It is correct because they are different.
No, it's okay. I'm not. Please, you know we are using this virtual thing, so we'll answer clearly so the court can record you properly.
You stand by your paragraph 19.
Please answer the court.
Yes, witness, you stand by what you stated in your paragraph 19.
Yes.
Go ahead, Prof.
Thank you. So what is privity of contract?
What is what?
What is privity of contract?
I have contract with Babcock University Teaching Hospital.
No, I said, what is privity of contract?
Can you expatiate on that too?
Do you know what privity of contract is?
That's why I said, can you expatiate on that? I had.
No, it's a question. What does privity of contract mean? If you don't know, you tell the court. If you know, you tell the court.
I don't know.
Thank you. Were you aware? Please, can we have it will delay us. Were you aware that Babcock University wrote a letter of permanent return to your husband and your name also on the copy of that. Are you aware that Babcock University wrote that letter?
I was aware.
On the 26th day of March.
I was aware.
2012. Are you aware of it?
I was aware, but I don't really know the content, and the permanent return is not applicable to me because my husband works I work for Teaching Hospital.
I just asked you whether you were aware.
I was aware.
If you are aware. Thank you. March 2012. Are you aware whether your husband complied with that letter?
Comply in what sense?
Whether he complied with the permanent return as contained in that letter?
I was not aware.
Thank you. Now, this letter is or was 26th of March, 2012, you know. Your complaint in this court is that you were, your apartment or your residence was invaded in January 2017. That's part of your complaint.
Yes.
Thank you. From March 26th, by police and King David, January 17, 2017. No. January 12? 12. January 12, 2017. Okay. Now, yes, that's what's done. So from March 26, 2012 to January 12, 2017, you were still residing in that apartment, in that residence in Babcock University. Is it correct?
Yes.
Good. When did you stop? 26 March. Yes, till 17 you were there. And yeah. She said yes. What were you doing there?
Can you repeat that again?
What were you doing? You have been given your husband has been given letter of permanent return. Please, just understand. If you understand my question, you have opportunity, you will answer. Just calm down. Your husband has been given letter of permanent return. Your superior in the teaching hospital told you that you and your husband are to go to another assignment, and you will no longer be shadowed. Please listen to me. You will answer. You are no longer in the shadow. What were you doing at that residence?
I was still there because Babcock Teaching Hospital did not write me officially that my services were no longer needed. They did not write me officially.
They did not write you officially.
Yes.
So that's why you stayed back. Thank you. Did you write either Babcock Teaching Hospital or the Babcock University itself did not write her officially? That's what she said.
They did not write out that our service were no longer needed.
No, please.
That's what you said.
No, that's not. Huh? Our service was no longer needed.
Yes.
Okay, I didn't hear that part.
They didn't write me officially.
What she said was they didn't write her officially.
That my services were no longer needed. That was why I still stayed there.
No, it's okay. It's okay, it's fine. Your superior told you that you will no longer be shadowed because you have been reassigned service between your husband and you. Are you aware of that?
I was aware.
Yeah, he said she's aware of that. Okay.
They just said it verbally, not officially.
Now she was told verbally, but that she did not receive official. Thank you. Yes, because they told him to because of the permanent return of the husband. Now, witness, did Babcock Teaching Hospital give you official residence?
They did not give me official residence.
Thank
they
you.
Assigned the residence.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, witness. Did your husband share with you the correspondence between him and the university? Email correspondences.
I don't know the full detail.
What?
I said I do not know the full detail.
Okay, you do not know the full details of the communications.
Yes, he told me, but I don't know the
okay,
full
no, it's fine. You will. full details. You said that you made reports to the police about the police and King David that invaded that residence. Is it correct?
You mean my husband?
I'm not talking about you. Did you make any complaints to the police?
I did not make any complaint. My husband
You
did.
did not make any complaint. Did you?
Say your husband did.
That's what I said. I said my husband did.
Good. Did you make any complaints to either Babcock University or the teaching hospital?
Let me just, that one I need to explain.
Did you
Because
make a complaint? If you answer, you will
I did
explain.
not make any complaint to teaching hospital. My husband
Okay.
made the complaint to Babcock
It's okay.
University.
Your husband made. Are you aware whether anybody has been prosecuted? Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Very sorry. She said no, that her husband made. Was your husband an employee of the teaching hospital? Your husband, her husband, an employee of the teaching hospital?
My husband was not an employee of a teaching hospital. I am the one. I
Thank
was
you.
the one that worked in teaching hospital, not my husband.
I understand. No, I understand. Where is the complaint that your husband made? Did you tender it?
I cannot remember.
You cannot remember whether you tendered it. Your case before this court is that you were neither terminated nor dismissed. In any event, that your employment is still on. That's your case.
Yes.
Thank you. Malo, can I ask for the exhibits tendered by the first defendant, the first witness of it? All right, why that is coming? You talked about settlement meetings to settle this matter. Did you attend any of them?
I did not attend, but my husband did.
And you were aware of those meetings?
Yes.
Thank you. Yes, she was aware, and she did not attend. It was her husband that attended.
Her husband attended.
Yes. Thank you. Are you aware that your husband sent that document to show that you are working in the US?
Which document?
Documents that show that you are working in the US.
I am not sure.
Are you aware?
That is what I am saying. I am not sure.
I'm not sure. Fine. Are you working in the US?
I am.
When did you start working in the US?
August 2023.
Prior to this particular employment now, that is Health Carousel.
Yes.
Were you working? Have you worked before in any establishment within Nigeria and anywhere else in the world from when you were orally informed, as you said, that you were no longer going to be put on the schedule? Have you worked?
I work partially and involuntarily. I work as a volunteer shortly before I came here to the US.
You worked?
Yes.
For how long?
From 20, unless if I have to put my mind back.
The document here says from 2019.
2019, I finished my bachelor's in 2019. Let me just say precisely 2019 or 2020. I can't precisely
2019, I will come to you. Thank you, no problem. After, not before. It's after you have to. We are ministers. 29, it was from 2019, same place. Now, witness.
Yes, my Lord.
So, what you are saying about your claims, what you deposed to about some of the things that transpired, particularly with respect to your husband, and with respect to the meetings for settlement, where things your husband told you and things you got to discover from other sources.
I'm listening.
I said, what are the positions in your witness statement on oath? Some of them are things that her husband told her, particularly things that pertain also to meetings and discussions for settlements and all that, because she said she was not there. But there are things your husband told you and things you knew from other sources. What's your answer?
I don't get that, please.
You said you were not in the meetings.
Yeah, I was not in the meeting.
Yes, you were not there. Your husband was there.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I'm saying that what you deposed to with respect to those things and some other things relating to this evidence are things your husband told you because he was there, and other things you got to know from other sources.
I want the honorable court to
Sorry?
grant all my plea. I said I want the honorable court to grant all my plea for all the claim.
That's not what I asked you. Answer my question. What I asked you, the answer is correct, is true. Am I right?
Yes, I was not there in the meeting.
I'll go to the claims, your claims now, because I think you want to answer things about your claims. Let me take you to your claims. That's fine. We'll get through that now. Let's go through your claims. You are asking this court to reinstate you. You're asking for mandatory injunction compelling the second defendant to reinstate you to your due office, promotion inclusive, in accordance with your date of employment and year of service till date. Are you still making that claim?
Yes, I am, because
Thank
I
you.
was.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. Just answer me, because you want to answer questions that I want to take you through. You're also asking for mandatory injunction compelling the defendants to pay your accrued salaries and allowances from August 2015 till date. Are you still making that claim?
Yes, sir.
Relief 5. She said she's still making that claim. Are you still asking for an order of perpetual injunction restraining? That is relief 6. Now, you are asking the defendants and for injunction restraining the defendants, their representatives, their servants, privies, and agents, howsoever, whatsoever, from harassing, intimidating, dismissing, and or terminating the your appointment on account of the facts prior to the filing of this action on account of this cause action. Are you still maintaining that?
Yes.
Thank you. You are asking for 20 million naira as general damages for violating your fundamental rights. Are you still making that claim?
Yes.
Thank you. You are asking this court to order the defendants to publish public apology to you.
Yes.
You're also asking for special damages of 6,264,000.
Yes. It should even be more than that.
And you're also asking for 5,890 United States dollars.
Yes.
Thank you. You are asking us to pay your lawyer 5 million naira for representing you. You don't want your lawyer to be paid. You have not answered that one.
I'm not hearing you.
If you are not, you hear this one. No. You want us to pay your lawyer 5 million naira for representing you.
Yes.
Thank you. Did you discuss with the defendant before engaging this lawyer you want the defendant to pay?
That one I cannot say precisely. I am not.
Yeah?
My husband is the main man that is handling it.
I'm just asking you whether you discussed with the defendant before engaging this lawyer that you want the defendants to pay.
Can you expatiate on that?
You want my clients to give you 5 million naira, which is payment for your lawyer. I'm asking you, before you engage this lawyer, did you consult the defendants so that you will be able to know how much to pay your lawyer?
My husband should be in the right position to answer that.
You are not in a position to answer that. Thank you. Now, let me take you back. It is your case that the defendant sent you payment in form of checks and checks for 2.something million, and that you rejected the check. Is it true?
I rejected it because it is a breach of
No,
agreement.
no, please. When you answer, you explain. No problem. Is
Yes.
it correct that, yes,
I wasn't sure
Did
of the
you-
amount, but I rejected it.
That is because it's a breach of agreement.
no, that's, no, let her answer it. You answer again, let it.
That was what I said.
Check on 2.1 million.
What I'm asking you is, no, not 5. It's
You say it was
the amount. It's very. $2,630,824 naira. You say you rejected it
I do because it was a breach of agreement.
because it was a breach of agreement.
Yes.
And that agreement is agreement that was reached in that in the settlement meetings where you were not present.
It wasn't the agreement that was met, that was planned in the meeting between the two parties. They
No,
went
no,
behind.
please. No, it is one of the decision agreement, the agreement you're talking about. Which agreement are you talking about?
The agreement that I was talking about, according to what my husband told me, was the meeting that was held in Falana's chamber between the two parties.
Okay,
When
so
they
it
were
was a breach of.
Yes.
Let now we are saying the same thing.
Sir,
It was a breach of the agreement reached in the meeting in Falana's chamber,
Yes.
which your husband told you now.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, so yes, my Lord, I will soon round up. When you were in employment in Babcock, did you see your pay slips?
It's been a long time, but
Did
I
you
can
see
say
your pay
yes.
slips?
Yes.
Your
Yes.
answer is
I
yes.
can flash my mind back.
You saw your pay slips now. Okay. So it is true that Babcock continued, even when these issues were on, to pay their own part of support for your children's school fees. Is it correct?
No, no.
They
They
did not pay anything.
They paid part. And
That's what
we
I said.
paid our part.
Please, madam, the court is also watching your demeanor. I ask you that Babcock paid their own part.
Okay, I didn't hear that.
No, when we understand ourselves, we will know it is correct. Yes. Now, were you aware that your husband wrote an email to the university and told them that he was ready to move?
To move where? If I can ask.
So the email to the university that he was ready to move, that he has also discussed with Kwara Conference, where they said he was to be moved to. Are you aware?
That one I am not sure.
You are not sure? No, it's okay. That's okay. Another question. You were a shepherdess, which means you were a pastor's wife. When a pastor is to be reassigned or moved from one assignment to the other, is it his employer that is responsible to moving him, or does the pastor move himself?
The employer.
The employer. Thank you. Now, Final question to you. The properties you are claiming are the properties that belong to you and your husband
And my children.
and your children. All right?
Yes, sir.
His employer. He says the employer that wants it. Now, the question I'm asking you is, the properties you are claiming are your properties and your husband's properties and your children's properties, correct?
My property, the main thing. My husband made his own. I did my own.
No, just answer me now, because you said
trying
your
to
family.
explain.
Do I read your, I will read your witness statement. That's what you said. Is it what you are saying, or you want to change it? You can change it if you like.
I am not changing anything, sir.
That's what I'm asking you. It is your property and the property of your husband and your children. Yes?
Sorry, Lord.
You would live witness.
No. I would like the paragraph where the witness actually say making claim for the property of the husband as opposed to the family. What
The husband not part of the family. Are we going to take argument? It is witness. This document. My Lord, if your Lordship looks at paragraph 33, because these things will give witness you as to what to answer. That all efforts to retrieve my belongings and that of other members of my family from the defendant are proved abortive. If you start even from 30, from 30, exactly.
What I'm saying is that paragraph, when you being at has been read, what husband was used in that paragraph, and the witness was saying, my property,
The
and
witness
my
is
children,
getting through
my
now.
husband.
My Lord,
That was why I requested that the paragraph should be read.
Very clear question. Please answer the question.
Did you hear the question, madam?
That my property. If I say my property,
No, listen to the question. The property you are suing for were your property, your husband's, and children's property. Is that what you're suing for?
everything.
What did you answer? He said everything.
Everything.
Now, witness. Do you know how your husband got to be engaged to work in Babcock University?
It was placed a service call.
There was a call, service call, right? Thank you.
So he responded to a service call.
Service call.
Yes.
It was after the service corps that subsequently you were employed in the service of Babcock.
Yes.
Please, I want an answer to the question.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now, in the course of these issues, that is thought, honestly. Have you ever heard that your husband was given a permanent return and to report at Kwara Conference of Seventh Adventist Church? Have you heard that before?
Yes.
Thank you.
Kwara.
Conference of Seventh Adventist Church.
Let's see. We should round up.
One more question. I'm also tired too. Just one more question. I just want to be sure that. Now, witness, do you have any police reports of your claim that your husband reported this incident you're talking about? Do you have any police report before this court?
I cannot say yes or no. My husband will be in the best position to say that.
Okay, you don't. I'm talking about it is you that is in the box now. Tell us for yourself. No, maybe your husband. Your husband that answered his own question. Yes?
Yeah, that's what I am answering.
Thank you.
What did she say?
She
Her husband.
yes, that she can answer the question. Yes. Yeah. Now, this property where you resided, who owns it?
It was assigned to my husband.
No, who owns it?
Babcock University.
Babcock University. Thank you.
That was the last question.
Yes, my lord, I'll leave this with you.
Any re-examination?
Yes, Lord.
The witness is discharged.
Welcome, Jesus.
So we're done for defense.
Okay.
Let's go, please.
Check the date.
Let's take the same date.
Give the same date.
That's the date we have taken.
God, I just want to say this. A relation on my part. Already have another child called me. It was after I've already done that. Right. About that situation. If this is started to be try.
Discuss with the learner. We can change. We can take a fresh date for the two.
Yes.
So we'll come and stay hold and
Give a
finish.
fresh date. Then we'll cancel, bring the other file, we'll change the date.
My lord, I'm fine. I hope it's not in that first week. It's fine. Yes.
Can I leave?
Wait, you are a witness.
Oh, okay.
We have not excused you.
That's what I'm saying. I said, can I leave?
Don't leave. Wait. So let's go to that. Yes. Now we are. Take time. Take so, now, let's take it. My Lord, we return to 29. We'll manage it. We know it's a whole day. My Lord, just to appreciate your Lordship's patience, including the support staff and my learned friend. Incidentally, we are the only ones at the bar, but we thank you, Your Lordship. Very grateful. But you can go. You can go.
Thank you.
Adéṣadé, ẹ káàárọ̀.
Ẹ máa ń lẹ́ o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ta ni mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀?
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà.
Ṣé Braniyi nìyẹn?
Take care. God bless
Ẹ
ma.
kú àtijọ́, ẹ ṣé. Ẹ bá mi kí fámílì o.
Yes ma. Take care.
Báwo ni Babcock?
Ẹ ní pẹ́.
Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Yes ma. Ẹ ṣé ma. Ẹ ṣé ma.
Sísà mi ń kọ́ àwọn bàbá àti ìyá ilé.
Àlàáfíà náà wà mí. Àlàáfíà náà wà mí.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́.
Yes, ẹ ṣé gan ni ọ̀kẹ́ bá ń káwọn àbúrò.
Safe trip o.
Yes ma. You are blessed forever ma. God bless ma.
God bless you.
Yes ma. Bye ma. Bye ma.
Bye.
Yes ma.
Yeah.